Hi, in this video we'll be looking at how you can do a masking effect in Premiere Pro. So to do that, you need a video of somebody passing like this. So they should cover the whole screen and move over like this. So you can mask them out and reveal the video below. So the first thing you have to do is where they start entering here, you should start masking. So to do that, you can go to video, effect controls, and draw a mask. So this is the pen tool used to draw the mask. So you can hold down and you can refine your tool like this. If you hold down this, and you can drag this corner to change it, and you can again go and add points to the mask. So after you have done this, again you can add points like this on the mask and just make a basic cover like this. So now this has revealed the video below. So what you have to do is you have to select this inverted. So now the mask is inverted and it is here. Now let's start keyframing this. So you have to click on this keyframes. If you need to move this, change these adjustments, you can change this. So you can add some mask feather to this if you want, just a small bit. And you can add this mask expansion, just a small amount. So now you can move to the next frame by clicking this, and you have to go on masking this out like this. You have to change this like this and cover the movement of the person. So we keep on doing this. So I will just speed up the process so you can just see that. So I have to go to the beginning of the mask where you have started masking and just go a keyframe before that. Just go backward and just move this mask away from the screen. So now if you play through that, you get the smooth transition. You can also then delete the rest of the video after this. After you have covered this, you can just delete the rest of the video and just reveal the video below this. So now if you play through this, you can see that you have made this smooth transition. So if you like this video, hit that subscribe button. So until next time, bye.